Alright, so it is 3 a.m. in the morning. I went to bed at 1 and I woke up at 2 and I came to the studio to record the videos that I was planning to record on the next day, or actually in a few hours in the morning. But just 5 minutes ago I started with the first video. I played the recording button on my camera and I took the pause to think about what actually makes me do that. And probably for 5 minutes I was just staring at the camera and I couldn't start, and I decided to record this video where I will actually share with you guys what it takes for a young entrepreneur to be successful. And it's not gonna be one of those videos where I will share with you marketing strategies and what you need to do about your social profiles and how you need to approach businesses for partnerships and so on. I will tell you my story, how I started as an entrepreneur, what it took me to quit my daily job, and what actually makes me come to the studio at 3 a.m. in the morning after sleeping just 1 hour. And if that video makes sense just for one of you guys, if I succeed to flip the coin in one of you, to take control of your life and to start doing what you like the most and to make the living out of it, I'll be super happy, and it would make sense for me why I came at 3 in the studio. So if you're ready, let's go for it. And just to make it clear, sleeping 1 hour a day is not a motivation. This is a stupidity, okay? Let's do it. Hi, my name is Petko Alexander. Hope you are doing well, and in today's video, or in this night's video, I will share with you guys my story until the moment, how I started as an entrepreneur and what it actually took me to be here today where I'm enjoying recording videos. What I mean is, I can afford not to do it. The passive income that I have from all videos that I have recorded on YouTube, on Udemy, I have over 1,000 lectures and over 40 courses on Udemy. The income that I have from the Trading Academy, which is the company I'm running for the last 4 years, that is enough for me to make a living and support my family. So I can say that I came to the point where I'm enjoying what I'm doing. I'm not putting so much effort. Sometimes I'm coming to the studio way earlier without sleep, or I stay late night to record videos because I want to push myself as a challenge to record some of the videos or to trade the Asia session, which is late in the evening in Bulgaria and Europe. But this is from time to time. Most of the time I just do my best to enjoy what I am doing because I see that this way the results are best for me. So let me tell you how I started with trading and establishing the Trading Academy, and I will tell you as well when I started as an entrepreneur. And my first own company was with a very best friend of mine. We were partners, and I had to look at in my LinkedIn to remember when that was. It was back in 2012, so that was 10 years ago. I was 24 or 23 years old, and we did a company for entertainment on the hotels in Bulgaria. And in 2013 I started working for a broker called Trading 212 is the current name. At this time it was just a local Bulgarian broker, but now they expanded all over the place, and they are very decent broker. I'm super happy I've worked with them and I have started with them. During this time I felt super bored, honestly, because I was one-man show in the office in Varna. I was alone in the office, there were barely no clients, and I had a lot of free time. However, I was smart enough, I can say, to take the time and study trading. I was studying a lot, I was trading, but at one moment when I was looking at the performance of my trading, I realized that I was losing money. And one day I just stopped and I said, okay, it's time to learn. At that moment I've realized that I'm not good enough and I had no money to study abroad. So what I did for the very first time in my life, I have asked my very best friend to give me a decent amount of money. It was about $3,000-4,000 to take the education in the London Academy of Trading. So I have studied for a few months, I went to London, I came back, and this was really crucial moment for me because I turned to be positive in my trading. At the same time, I gained a lot of knowledge during this time that later on I started sharing in my videos. And I loved recording videos. I loved recording my trading sessions. I loved recording what I know and what I've learned in the academy in London. And later I decided to launch my own academy, and I decided to do it virtually online, which was the very best decision. And ever since this time I'm recording videos, and I keep recording videos. But there was the hard moment that I want to talk about. Is when I started recording videos, I established the website with a friend of mine who is still managing the website, and we did a pretty good job from the very beginning. But it is very hard to kick off in this field. Just like with everything else nowadays, the competition is huge. So I was recording videos, I was recording courses, but there were not a lot of clients. Why? Because I wasn't popular in any social media. I didn't have followers on Instagram, I didn't have subscribers on YouTube, the website wasn't ranking yet on Google, and after almost a year I was barely making a living, and I had to start working full-time job again, and this was horrible. This was crucial for me. This was devastating. The mindset that I already had was an entrepreneur mindset. I didn't want to go from 9 to 5. I wanted to dedicate my time to courses and to trading. I wanted to record my trading, to share it with the world, and to make a living out of it. But I didn't have capital to put into trading, and I didn't have the audience to buy my courses. So what I did, I didn't stop chasing my goal. I was waking up at 4 in the morning, recording videos until 7. Then I was going to work from 8 to 5, going back home, editing the videos, publishing, and again and again and again. And it took me about 5-6 months the things to kick off. And I should say that I was a little bit lucky because this was in 2017 when the Bitcoin got really popular. It was a phenomenal. Everyone was talking about Bitcoin. Even the old people on the street and the mall, they were talking about Bitcoin. And at this time I recorded one of the first course about Bitcoin algorithmic trading. I uploaded it on Udemy and our website. Tons of sales, guys. There were days when I was selling over 500 to 600 courses in one day. And one weekend I woke up in the morning, I'll never forget that moment. I grabbed my phone and I saw how many courses were sold last night, and I said, that's it, I'm quitting job. And on Monday I went to the office and I said that I'm leaving, and fortunately ever since this time I never ever had to work again. The academy has many traders joining. I have over 55,000 students on Udemy. I'm chasing 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. My other social channels are growing, and I'm not telling you this to show off and to tell you guys are working full-time job. I don't need to do it anymore. But I want to motivate even a few of you who are chasing their goals and there is something missing, or you're not making enough money to quit your job. I would strongly suggest you, if you love what you're doing, if you believe in the projects that you're working on, just push it. Just find time, sleep less, go out with friends less, eat less if you will, but find the time to complete what you have started, and I'm pretty sure that it will work for you. Alright guys, so long story short, I will continue recording videos as long as I can because I love sharing my experiences with you, my skills, my trading knowledge, and I really thank you for watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do it right now. Check out all the links that I have in this video below. Free stocks, free crypto from some of the trusty exchanges. Go for some of the online courses that I have in the description, because this will help you improve in trading if this is what you're interested in. If you're a young teenager who doesn't want to work from 9 to 5, I really hope that I succeeded in motivating you. And check out this video right here where I share how to earn $100 per day as a passive income. You take care, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers. And don't sleep 1 hour per day. It's wrong. Very wrong. Cheers.